Okay, first things first. These are the three files that I'm going to email you back. So you're going to use these three files when importing. Okay. What I've done is just copied them from the email directly onto a removable disk, a thumb drive. So under the thumb drive, there should be a folder called data. If it's not there, just create one. Literally right here, just go to home and say new, and then type in DATA and then hit enter, and then copy and paste your files in there just like this where they're in there. Okay, and this random file, don't worry about, that's from another thing, but these are your three files. So you should see those right under data, underneath your thumb drive. So data, and then there's your files. From there, you're going to close that out and then plug your thumb drive directly into your computer. Okay, now this is going to be a new project here. Okay, so you're going to hit project. Ideally, all the jobs that are in here currently are ones that you don't need anymore. So you're going to go up and go hit X, and you're going to delete the ones that are in here. Okay, you can even delete the ones that are default as well, just starting out fresh. So check mark and OK. So now we have no data in there at all. It's going to re-kick in another default. After you do that, under your project, we're going to hit plus. Our name is going to be CAYDON, and that's just the name of our project. So you're going to hit check mark on that. After you've done that, go ahead and hit check mark. Okay, so now we are looking for level 1 on our software. So because of that, right now it says Kayden, and then it says job is default. We want to change that to level 1. So we're going to go to jobs. We're going to hit plus. We're going to type in level 1. And then we're going to say check mark and check mark. So now we've got our proper project and our proper level. So now we're going to import those points. So first thing is import plus. We're going to go right to reference data. And under reference data, it's going to be from the internal memory. We're actually going to be going from that USB stick. And then from that USB stick, if we scroll down, we're going to see one that says control points and one that says level 1 points. So this is level 1 points we want to worry about first. You're just going to select the arrow to the right. And we're going to select it to the right. And once we do that, you should be seeing ID. You should see INEZ code. If you don't see them in that exact order, then we want to change it. And this is how you change it. So if you select here and here, here and here, and this is incorrect, but you see how I changed the top row? So you want to make sure it's ID Northing Easting Elevation Code, just like that. And then field separator is going to be comma, which should be defaulted to, and distance units should be international feet. So then once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and hit check mark, and it should highlight it over on the right. After that, we're going to come down to our DXF, and we're just going to tap that, and then we're going to hit check mark. We're not going to import the control points yet. Those will be next. So then we'll hit check mark, and that should bring the points in, and we'll say OK. You should see the same exact thing that I see, and then you're going to hit check mark one more time to confirm the bring in of the data, and it's going to import into the Icon software. So you should see this same thing, and you're just going to click OK. Now the next thing is we have to import those control files. So go ahead and select control files, and we're going to go right from internal to removable. And now we're going to see our control file right here. It says control points, and then we can just hit check mark on that. And it should say 4 control points, OK. Then hit the house, and now we should be able to come in here to layout points and see our control points and see our data. So my screen is split. Yours probably will be as well, but you can see your 4-cornered control points are there, and then your layout points are everywhere else. So that will have allowed you to import all your points. So I'm going to hit for now. That should get all the data transfer part through. So